What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I have a pretty big haul to share with you guys. I went to Ulta a couple of days ago and I picked up a few things. I literally walked in just needing one product, just one thing, and I walked out with a bunch of shit. Like, this shit always happens to me. I don't know if it happens to y'all, but I always go into Ulta or Sephora looking for one thing and I walk out with all kinds of products. It's crazy. Luckily, I had a couple of gift cards that I received for Christmas, so I ended up using those babies up. Yeah, let me just show you guys the receipt. Just don't freak out on me. Look at this thing. It's huge. The total was $215. Anyways, I did pick up some stuff at Ulta and I also went to Marshall's and I found some really good goodies there. So I also have a few things from Marshall's that I wanted to include in this video as well. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just stay tuned. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. Also, I am having a giveaway. I will link that video to that giveaway down below, or I will put it in a card right here somewhere. Just find it, subscribe, and enter my giveaway because it's good. Okay, so yeah, anyways, let's get on with the haul. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and get started with what I got. But first, I wanted to also mention what I am wearing on my lips because I know some of you might be interested. So I am actually wearing this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Trust Issues. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty plum color. And it is one of my favorites. I love it so much. By the way, if you guys are interested in this eye makeup look, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely do a tutorial for you guys. Alright, let's get on with my haul. First things first, I picked up this Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. So it looks like this. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this sponge before at the Morphe store or online, whatever. It just has a flat edge right here and it's just like a regular sponge up here. This was, I believe, $6.99 or $7.99. I will put a little bubble up here. I've been wanting to try this sponge for a really long time, but every single time I would go to Ulta, it was always sold out. And I finally found it, so I picked this baby up. I also picked up this Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with rose water and aloe herbs. It looks like this. This is actually the main reason I went to Ulta. I love this spray and mine ran out a couple of weeks ago, so I definitely needed this baby back in my life, and I finally got it, so I got this. Also picked up this One Heck of a Blot primer by Soap & Glory. I've never tried this primer before, but I heard it's really good, so I just decided to give it a try and see how it works with my skin. So I got this. So Ulta was actually having a sale on the Ardell lashes. It was buy two get one free. Unfortunately, I didn't get the free one because I ended up getting 3 different lashes, or 2 the same, 1 different, and I don't think the other one qualified for the free lash, which was kind of dumb, but it just said so on my receipt, so I'm a little bummed about that, but whatever. I mean, I needed these lashes anyway. So I got 2 pairs of the wispy lashes. These are my favorite lashes ever. I love them so much because they look so natural and they're just perfect for my eye shape. So I really love these. If you guys have never tried wispies, I recommend them. Just try them out and see how they look on your eye shape, because sometimes I know if you have huge eyes or your eyes are kind of droopy, or I don't know. I feel like these lashes look really good with my eye shape. So I got 2 pairs of these. I also picked up these ones, which is the Fox Mink lashes, and they're in the number 812. These are also one of my favorite pairs of lashes, and I think I am actually wearing them right now this second. I just love them because they're just very natural looking, and that's kind of like what I lean towards. I'm not like a crazy glamour dramatic lash type of gal, if you guys know what I mean. I also picked up this Master Chrome highlighter. It looks like this. Y'all, I've been trying to find this highlighter everywhere and it's been sold out everywhere. I've heard a lot of good things about this highlighter, so let me just open it up and see what the whole fuss is about, because I've been like seeing all kinds of videos and people showing off swatches of this highlighter, and they are lit, man. So let's find out here if it is lit. It looks like this. Again, this is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold. So it's very goldy. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch this baby. I'm scared. Look at that. It's so pretty. Let's swatch. Oh, holy cow. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I love it. I already have highlighter on, but it doesn't hurt just to add a little tiny bit. Sorry, I don't mean to flip you guys off, but I love highlighters, and this side is lacking a little. Ooh, ooh, I love it. I am in love with this highlighter. Look at that glow. Do you guys see that? Damn. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out a little bit so it's not like crazy, because I'm gonna end up looking like a disco ball around here. So I also got the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I picked this one up. I wanted to try it, and I'm actually thinking about doing a first impression. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to try it out because I'm dying to try this foundation out. I heard a lot of good things about it. I heard it just gives you like a very natural glow, which is called Natural Radiant Foundations. I got it in the shade Medium 1. So that is what I kind of thought that was my shade. So let's just hope it goes well. Let me know again in the comment section if you guys want to see a review on that or whatever. Actually, I have some brushes here that I also got, but I don't have them in the bag because I already took them out just to feel them. Is that weird? So I got the Morphe M433 brush, and this is just a blending brush. I love Morphe's brushes. They are one of my favorite brushes ever, and this one is actually my favorite one. I have a ton of these, and I love them so much because, I mean, it's just like an everyday brush. Like, you use it for blending, so I had to pick another one. Every single time I go to Ulta, I seriously like snag one of these. I have so many of these, it's ridiculous. I also got the Morphe M527 brush, and it looks like this. This is a really huge powder brush. I got this baby because I feel like it's gonna be perfect for bronzer and even for just contouring. Picked up this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Vino Noir, and I honestly, you guys, I love Smashbox liquid lipsticks. They're literally my favorite formula without a doubt. I have tried so many liquid lipsticks, and honestly, I feel like Smashbox are just one of the best formulas out there. I just love them so much. Like, they're so creamy. They go on so smooth like butter. They last a long time, and I just love the formula. I feel like they don't dry out your lips. They're just great. So I got this one. This one again is in the shade Vino Noir. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here so you guys can see it. I swatched it in the store and I absolutely love it, and I don't have this shade, so I had to get it. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Finally, from Ulta, I picked up these 4 lipsticks. They're the L'Oreal collaborating with Balmain. So I just picked up 4. I was thinking about getting more of them, but honestly, the other ones, I don't think I see myself wearing them as much as these. So I just decided to hold off on the other ones. So I'm just gonna show you guys which ones I got. So there's 4. These 2 are black. This one is a royal blue, and then this one is a green one. First one I picked up is called Confession, and it looks like this. You guys, the packaging is everything. Everything. So this one's called Confession, and it looks like this. It's a really, really pretty pink shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them right here, and they're so stinking buttery. They're so smooth and buttery. I love it. So this one's confession right there. I picked up this one, and this one's called Domination, and it's a really gorgeous red color. It's just like a staple red color that you all need to get. And let me just swatch it right here so you guys can check it out. I feel like this one definitely has a blue undertone to it. It's just so gorgeous. Okay, so next I got this one, and this one's in the green packaging. You guys, the packaging is so freaking gorgeous. It's like a green marble. It looks so beautiful. This one is called Glamazone, and it's a really pretty muted, it's like gray brown. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. Oh, this one is so pretty too. So the last one I got is in the blue packaging, and it also has kind of like a marble thing going on. And this one is in the shade Power. Now this shade is so freaking pretty. I totally understand why it's called Power. This lipstick, it just reminds me of like a businesswoman just zooming through New York City, wearing this lipstick, hella badass, like slapping everybody's faces. Just kidding. But seriously, this one's gorgeous, and I will show you guys why. Look at that. Do you guys see that right there? It's so pretty. I don't even think the camera is doing justice, honestly. Look. So that was pretty much everything that I got at Ulta. Let's go ahead and move on to what I found at Marshall's. I only picked up a few things, but they're good. Alright, so first things first, I found this contour cream kit by Anastasia. Can you guys believe this? It's crazy. So normally these run, I think, about $25, and I got it for $18.99. So this is how it looks like. Super perfect. It is gorgeous. Now I'm not gonna swatch them, but I've never ever played with cream contours like this before, so I'm very excited to try them out. I know I'm very late in the game, but honey, with makeup you ain't never late. So I got that. I also picked up these two liquid lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I also found at Marshall's. They were each $6.99. I got this one in the shade Seraphine, and then this one is called Naked. Let's open up Seraphine and see what it looks like. So this one is just like a crazy fiery red. Look at that. It is super, super red. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand just so you guys can see the shade. Woo! That is a crazy red. So I picked this one up. This one is called Naked. This one is a very neutral color. So I didn't know about this one, but we'll just have to try it out. It's this just nude color, so I don't know how it'll go with my skin tone, but it's $6.99. Why not? So let's just go ahead and swatch this baby. Oh my god, this one is so pretty. It's such a pretty color. Look at that right there. I think it'll look good. So what do you guys think about this one? Do you guys have Naked? Because if you do, let me know. I don't know how it'll look on my skin tone, but we'll just have to try it and see. And last but not least, I found this Lock-It color correcting eyeshadow primer by Kat Von D. This one was $3.99, so that was a steal, and this one is in the shade Medium. So I've never tried this color correcting eye primer before, so I'm very excited, and it just looks like this, and it looks like a crayon. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys just so you guys know what it looks like. So that's what it looks like right there. Alright guys, so that was pretty much everything I got at Ulta and Marshall's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out my giveaway video happening right now. I will link my video down below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys are interested again on me making a tutorial with this makeup look, don't forget to leave your request down below in the comment section, and I will definitely work that out for you guys. And that's all, you guys. I will talk to you guys next time. Take care. Bye.